Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening both Excel files and saving them to predictable folders so links remain stable. Next, choose whether you need a direct cell reference, a workbook query, or Power Query. Each serves different needs. Once decided, make sure Excel's security allows external links by adding the folder to trusted locations or unblocking the files. This prevents broken connections. Start with a simple cell reference to confirm access before moving to queries, because that verifies permissions and paths early. You now create the actual connection. For a direct cell link, type an equals sign, switch to the source workbook, click the cell and press enter. Excel writes the external reference automatically. For more robust imports, choose Data Get Data from Workbook, pick the source file, and load the required tables or ranges. Make sure to convert ranges to tables and use absolute references where needed. This preserves structure when rows or columns change. Once the link exists, refresh to validate the transfer. You finish by configuring update behavior and verifying stability. Choose manual or automatic updates in connection properties and use refresh all when several links exist. If a link shows errors, open the Edit Links dialog to update values or change source paths. This resolves most relocation issues. If problems persist, reopen the source file to re-establish the path or recreate the query with a fresh table name. One key troubleshooting tip: if links break after moving files,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.